If you are wondering if you can experience overheating issues on OPPO Reno 15, then the answer seems to be fortunately no, not really. I've been using the phone for a couple of days and I've been trying to make it overheat essentially with different tasks, but I couldn't actually do so. Even when performing benchmarks, of course, the phone can get warmer, and it is noticeable, of course. You can feel that the phone can have higher temperature, but I would not say that it was overheating. It's definitely not the same temperature. It is not as high as you can experience on some flagship models and on some other, for example, OPPO smartphones that do tend to overheat sometimes. So generally speaking, especially in a typical day-to-day usage, I would not expect the phone to have any heating issues whatsoever, and the phone should feel warm at best, maybe a little bit hot, but it should not really overheat. Of course, you can experience much higher temperatures when you, for example, play games for a longer time. This is of course quite natural, and there are some things and tasks that are more demanding for the phone, and therefore it can raise the temperature. But generally speaking, you should be pretty confident that the phone should not really overheat. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.